Hello, I'm Tom Boccia, partner in the Cleveland office of Novogradac and Company and chairman of the Novogradac 2020 Historic Tax Credit Virtual Conference. The conference is scheduled for September 24th and 25th, and we'd love for you to be part of it. The event will be 100% online, so you can participate from your home or office. Like at our other conferences, attendees will hear about the latest trends and get updates on matters most as it relates to historic tax credit investments right now. Before the main conference, we will have several workshops for you to join with topics ranging from historic tax credit basics to advanced HTC topics. We also have two new workshops, one on developing an HTC project, and another on discussing HTC advocacy and how can you help the industry. The main conference will include speakers from distinguished members of Congress, a session on what's happening in Washington, D.C., sessions where historic tax credit stakeholders share lessons they learn, and sessions on investing and preparing your next historic tax credit deal, and so much more. We've also created a networking hub where you can chat with other attendees, just like at our regular conference. And finally, you'll have a virtual exhibit hall where you can meet with our sponsors. We're looking forward to this event and hope you will be part of it. To register, go to www.novoco.com and click on the Events tab. We look forward to seeing you September 24th and 25th at the Novogradac 2020 Historic Tax Credit Virtual Conference.